WAG, democratizing application development.
Hi.
Hi, go ahead.
I'm Nisim Heletz from Software Progression, CEO.
I was looking for you earlier in the back. I think you were sitting in the audience. There you are.
Let's talk.
Okay.
One is, I just want to make a few comments on stuff that's already been said. One, the POC, proof of concept. I've seen it a lot in enterprise where they won't accept a mobile app until they see a web app. So I've seen it many times where basically we went and told them, look, you're going to get a mobile app and a web app. The mobile app is going to work on all the mobile devices. The web app is going to work on all the on all the web browsers at the same time. You create it once, it works everywhere. And that's what sold them, because what they want is just like a colleague here said, they basically want a create once, use everywhere solution. Mm-hmm. And another point, they're all interconnected really. You guys have said the dots, I just want to connect them in my view. Developers are not going to multiply. And that's exactly right, because that means you need to create more developers quicker. And the way we do that with our product is that you don't need to use code. You don't need to deal with code. You're cutting the time down to about 100 times less than what it would take a developer. 6 to 12 months becomes 1 week, 2 weeks. And you're creating new developers. You're basically allowing the domain experts, the IT managers, and even consumers these days now that we launched a SaaS platform, allowing them to create apps. Basically, you have to touch all the points to create a real solution. So all the barriers for creating, delivering, updating, and running the apps.
Yeah, I think I'm Jeff Haney from AppsAccelerator. We make a mobile platform for the enterprise and for developers that are building applications. Totally agree with earlier colleagues' point. You know, we're having a huge, massive fragmentation in the mobile space.
At Cisco, they have a very complex SKU system where they have, hundreds of products they put together for customer proposals. They automated all of that on a tablet app and can then apply group discounts across a whole proposal for a customer, and then they built the back-end workflow back for approval of a discount. Can I give an extra 2 or 3 points if they buy all these products? All of that used to take weeks in the Cisco system to get it done. And now they can build a proposal, print it, email it to the customer, get approval for the discount, and do it in hours.
We were working with one of the big financial institutions last year. They wanted to roll out, their objective at the beginning of the year was to roll out 65 mobile apps across the entire organization. Mm-hmm. They rolled out 1. And the reason was that they had to do penetration testing on that individual application to make sure it met the security baselines of the bank.
Right.
One last point is when we're talking about the scale issue, there's a void here on the back end. So this touches networking as well. So the Cisco's, Junipers of the world. Right. There's a big void in the equipment that can handle the scale of mobility and mobile apps.
Yeah. Mobile developers aren't going away. Yes, the 1 million is a problem, but you're not going to have a solution where you can, kind of drag and drop and have stuff. But you need to simplify that process. For example, we spent a lot of time kind of doing a great UI UX around indexing the database.